Alright guys, today I'm going to make peanut butter chicken. Alright, what I got is some boneless chicken thighs. I got some eggs. I got some panko breadcrumb, which is the Haitian brand, alright? Makes it for a much crispier texture. Alright, and I'm going to use soy sauce for my sauce, vinegar, and of course some peanut butter and some sesame seed. Alright, so first I'm going to start with an egg wash. Normally people just take eggs and just beat it. What happens is when you do that, even though it's okay, but for me it's a little too thick, a little too sticky, and what happens is it's just a waste of eggs, because you could probably coat maybe 4 thighs for every 3 eggs, okay? But if you just add just a little bit of water to it, okay, and create an egg wash, it's gonna make for a nice lighter texture, okay, and it'll stick well to any breadcrumb, okay, and you can actually stretch the egg mixture and maybe up to 6 pieces of chicken, okay? So basically now I'm just gonna add it. I just put salt and pepper on this, nothing fancy, okay? Just gonna throw it in there. I'm just gonna coat it with the breadcrumb. I got my oil already getting hot, and I'm just gonna fry it to coat. And then I'll be back after I fried a few, if I can show you my peanut butter sauce. Guys, as you can see, all right, it's got a nice little crispy color on it. All right, medium-high heat. So since the panko breadcrumb actually cooks really fast, I set the oven to 400 degrees. So I'm gonna put it here to rest on this rack, and I'm gonna put it in the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is, while I'm taking advantage of cooking this for another 7 minutes in the oven, I decided to get some butter squash noodles, okay, and serve it with this chicken. So this actually will cook on the same temperature, 400 degrees, for the same 7 to 10 minutes, okay? Nice and light, nice and fluffy, okay? Put them both in the oven. Nice snack in the middle. Add a couple more. Roast these. 7 to 10 minutes, and I'll be back. 10 minutes at 400 degrees, okay? I'm gonna take the chicken out. I'm gonna take the butternut squash that's been roasted, okay? There's a little tussle here, okay? And the chicken looks mighty delicious right here, okay? Nice and neat. So let's go on the peanut butter sauce now. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grab 2 tablespoons of a nice creamy peanut butter, okay? All right. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, okay? Half a tablespoon rice wine vinegar. That's just to break down the actual peanut butter. And I'm just gonna mix it up a little bit, okay? To get all inside. Just give it some time, it's gonna break down, okay? Okay, add a little bit more. I want to make a bigger batch. Okay, here we go. Okay, I just want the peanut butter to break down. It's a nice little paste. Okay. Just keep adding a little soy sauce here. Okay. Let me taste. A little bit more rice wine vinegar. Okay. Just add a little sugar. little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt. Keep mixing. Okay. Now, add some olive oil. Okay. At the end, slowly incorporate it. Okay. Get that nice little texture. Okay, nice and creamy. Okay. It's got that nice tang to it. Just gotta add a little bit more sugar. Okay. Guys, here's my plate. Disrespect the food. Okay. Just want to do this for the base. Spread it out a little bit. Make designs if you want. Chicken here. Another one right on top. Okay. Here goes the squash. Nice and roasted. Okay. There you go, guys. Peanut butter chicken. Okay? The butternut squash. Bon appetit.